We'll remove our spare tire just to give us a little more room under there. What I'm working on here today is a Ford F150. The rear diff, we're going to change the fluid in there. It looks like it's leaking a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously have it in park with the parking brake set. We're going to go and pull off the hoses and the lines up on top and take a 13 millimeter. We're going to take all the bolts out all the way around, except for we're going to leave one on the top. Then we're going to take a putty knife, break the seal, and let the fluid drain into a pan. Take a little brake clean up the surface here. Okay, we got one bolt in the top, it's loose. Now we'll take a putty knife here and then crack the seal. Have a little oil catch pan underneath. Now we can take the top bolt out there and take our pan off, and we'll clean the gasket up while the rest is leaking out. Okay, we'll put a rag up in there and take lay it over the gears, and then we'll take a razor blade and scrape the old gasket material off. Okay, we got a little bit that's stuck on there. We're going to take a die grinder with a Scotch-Brite pad on there. We're going to clean that up. Got the diff cover all cleaned up. If you do have a magnet on there, I want to clean that up too. Now that we got the mating surface all cleaned up, in the bottom there, in the bottom of the differential, you want to sop up whatever fluid is in there. Now we're ready to put some gasket sealer on the diff cover. Okay, we're going to use Permatex Right Stuff. We're going to go around all the bolt holes and everything, and you have 5 minutes to get that put on. Okay, we'll put it on there, put a couple of bolts in there. We have 3 that have the studs. Put those in on the top, and we'll torque it down in a cross pattern. I believe the torque spec is 5 foot-pounds, so it's not very tight. Just want to make sure that the gasket maker squeezes out all the way around. Okay, looks good here. We got it snugged up. We'll take those wiring harnesses and that brake line and put them on those studs. What we'll do is take a wire brush and clean up around there so no debris falls in the hole. Take a little brake cleaner and clean that up. Next we'll fill it up with our axle lube, and we'll keep filling it up until it starts running out the fill hole. You're going to want to do this on a level surface. Okay, after you fill it up and it stops running out the fill hole there, and we know we have the correct level, then we're going to take our plug here, if it does have a magnet on it, clean all the debris off of there, and then we're going to put some thread sealant on here before we install it. You don't put it on the very first threads.